I want to see it.
Dua.
Conservation, yeah. I'm talking about
Konservasi.
conservation of forest and
Tiga.
tourism. So there's a lot of
Pariwisata.
job. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Again, this Miko from Miko Chong channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification for you to be notified if I have a new video to upload. So guys, we're back to another reaction video, and this time we're going to react to Tanah Papua, a paradise of birds. So I'm thinking this one is in Amazon, but not. This one is in Indonesia. So this video is recommended by one of our viewer. So the name is what is the name of the viewer? So the name is Muhammad Amirul. Amirul. So correct me if I'm wrong, Mr. Muhammad. Sorry for that. So I commented that thank you for your reaction. Please also react to Tanah Papua paradise for birds. So I don't know if Mr. Muhammad is from Malaysia or from Indonesia. So but guys, I'm here and now we're going to react to one of the requests of Mr. Muhammad Amirul. So guys, without further ado, let's check it out the video. So guys, let's start. I'm excited to watch because I love nature. That sound of the forest. I love the forest. There's a lot of coconuts also, if I'm not mistaken. Flower, ferns. Wow. Birds. Okay.
Anak-anak, sekarang kami sudah di hutan kita.
In the forest.
Kenapa kita mau datang seperti
Why we are here?
ini supaya kalian tahu ke depan kita.
Of us. Wow. And the music is so calm. What? Wow. The birds. This is the first time that I saw that kind of birds. You see, they're hanging on the branches. Red bird of paradise. Wow! They're dancing, my God. And you see that tail? I don't know what you call. Wow. Magnificent. With river birds. My God! What a creature, what a bird. Wow. Well good. Western Parotia. Wow. Greater bird of paradise. Vogal cock. Super. Wow. My God. That intro. I don't know if that is the intro, but that bird was so beautiful. That is the first time that I saw that bird. In the Philippines, guys, there's a birds, beautiful birds also, but this kind of birds was really like a rare birds. So I'm thinking first that this video was in Amazon, but it's not. It's in Indonesia. So guys, let's continue. I want to watch more of this. The forest. I really love forest.
Indonesia's land of Papua, Tanah Papua.
West Papua and Papua.
Consisting of two provinces, Papua supports one of the only remaining large tropical forests in the world.
Oh. Tropical forest.
With the Amazon and Congo basins, these forests serve as the lungs of the planet.
So connected with the Amazon.
And in Papua, they are the lifeblood of the people.
So guys, I don't even know that Indonesia have this kind of forest, rainforest, or it seemed like Amazon. So it was really amazing, and this is my first time to discover that Indonesia have like this kind of a treasure. So I want to watch more. I'm so excited about what's going on next. So let's continue.
Dan yang
What
terutama
impresses me the most
yang
about
membuat
the
saya
forest of
sangat
Papua?
terkesan itu karena
The sustained
hutan di
development
Papua
is
itu memberi banyak
here.
kehidupan untuk masyarakat di Papua. Jadi
The resources
sumber
needed to live
kehidupan mereka
are
itu
found
sebetulnya di
here.
hutan.
Wow.
Papua's geography contains a variety of ecosystems: coasts, mangroves, forests, and mountains that supports roughly half of Indonesia's biodiversity.
Again.
Over 600
The
species of
birds!
birds
My
are
God!
found in Papua, including the birds of paradise,
Birds of paradise.
many of which live nowhere else on Earth.
It's like dancing, you know. What?
Dan untuk saya,
Did you hear that? It's like a machine gun. Brrr, brrr. That was a really amazing creature. And that tiny bird.
burung di Papua, apalagi cendrawasih itu sangat luar biasa, sangat unik, sangat cantik.
Most of the creature here are most of the
Nggak
birds
bisa
I didn't
dilupakan.
saw.
The birds of paradise are icons of Papua's biodiversity. Their unparalleled beauty has made them a symbol
My God.
of international
What kind of
renown.
movement is that?
Yang burung yang itu
Bird
boleh
watching
orang
area.
selalu suka untuk cari-cari di dekat kampung.
Kita dengar
Usually
ini
we
suara
walk in the
tuh.
morning
Kita dengar suara
and
baru.
listen
Kita
Then
jalan
we follow
pagi
the calls.
dengar suara langsung. Kita jalan pasti apa suara
and
itu.
look
Kalau
for
ketemu
them.
ini dia punya salang.
Global interest in
Whoa.
Papua's bird life is leading to increased
was
opportunity
really
for
amazing.
wildlife tourism,
Bokwam.
bringing newfound economic benefits to local communities.
Burung-burung yang seperti
Wow.
kakatua raja,
Kakatu.
kakatua putih, rangkong.
Magnificent yang dia
My
main
God.
di sini, main di tanah. Kita jalan lagi
There's a lot of
ketemu
beautiful birds.
ini parotia.
You
Oh,
see?
tempatnya main parotia.
Wow, the camera.
Burung yang tidak akan panggil khusus yang malam itu Papua frogmouth.
Oh. The
Panya
forest.
selukei lewa utang din no sop telukei mem nyane mem tuma wencap tuma arane no ne bisam punya tumi tia item punya tun cita din jam ti tem nya tun hom
Provide
no
the air we breathe,
dam nya hom
correct?
no okay item.
But these forests are no longer isolated from the rest of the world.
Wow. Oh,
The demand for timber, palm oil, minerals, and gas has arrived.
this is
The future
devastating.
existence of Papua's resources and biodiversity, and the communities that rely on them, depend on the choices made today.
That was really sad. That view, wow, so amazing.
The governments of Papua and West Papua are bringing together non-government, community, academic, and religious partners to create a sustainable pathway for development.
Adik-adik yang kecil bilang jangan potong ini, jangan tebang kayu itu karena guna untuk burung untuk bawa uang.
There are
I love
plenty
that
of
birds.
examples of ecosystems destroyed by overexploitation. With its forests still intact, Papua has the opportunity to develop in a way that allows both its people and its environment to thrive.
Keindahan yang di Raja Ampat khususnya di Sapermen itu
Mambrasar.
sangat indah sekali.
It's beyond amazing, yeah. Wow.
Recent successes in the marine environments of the Raja Ampat region of West Papua show that development and conservation
Coral
can
reefs
go hand in
and
hand.
duck fishes. My God. So guys, I hope they're going to preserve this kind of beauty. So guys, as we know that in every country, some of the people are destroying our forests. So most of the people involved to this movement that protect our mother nature, so that was really amazing, and salute to them that they are always protecting, that they are always there to protect the forest. And the forest is one of our greatest place and a beautiful creatures that you can see that God's created to us. So we must treasure this kind of a beauty of nature that God given to us. Within the forest,
Within the forests, local leaders are organizing their communities with similar goals.
Jadi yang guna untuk kita ada 3 hal yang lebih penting untuk kita. 1,
I want to see it.
2,
Conservation, yeah, I'm talking about
Konservasi.
conservation of forest and
3,
tourism. So there's a lot of
pariwisata.
job.
Yang penting kita jaga burung baik-baik. Mereka lihat
And
ya
the
uang
money
itu
goes
langsung.
to the village.
Mereka kasih
Wow.
di ini kita punya
Campo
kampung.
is village.
The forests, the birds, and the communities make this region
Wow.
unique and irreplaceable.
This is a
Kalau
breathtaking
hutan di
place.
Papua harus
It's like,
hancur.
no, it's not. It's like a
Masyarakat di
paradise,
Papua itu
but
sudah
this
tidak
one is
punya
a
apa-apa lagi.
paradise.
Jadi kehidupan mereka
Are
dan
in the forest.
harta mereka itu adalah di hutan.
As the lungs of the planet, tropical forests are an important buffer against our changing climate.
Wow.
If Papua's ecosystems are degraded,
I cannot say
the effects
anything
will be
but
felt
wow.
not just locally, but across the world.
Arfak ini berguna sekali untuk masa depan.
So collaborative leadership.
Through collaborative leadership, achieving sustainable growth, maintaining the livelihood of local communities, and protecting
I don't know
globally
what-
significant
what this
biodiversity
bird is
are
doing.
possible for Tanah Papua and all of humanity.
Wow, that sound. Papua nature is so
Alam
beautiful.
Papua sangat-sangat indah.
I ask
Jadi-
Papuans all over.
Saya minta kepada masyarakat
Let's
Papua
protect our
umumnya,
beauty.
mari
Beauty.
kita
country,
jaga
beautiful
negeri
country,
kita
sorry.
yang indah ini. Sehingga ke depan
Wow.
anak cucu kita akan menikmati apa yang kita rasakan
Really
hari
salute
ini
to this guy.
dan seterusnya. Mari kita
Conservation
mendukung
in Papua.
konservasi yang ada di
God.
Papua umumnya.
That is the best video I've ever seen. So I'm thinking that only Amazon have like this kind of a forest, but also Papua in Indonesia, they have a beautiful forest preserve, and they conserve the beauty of Papua, and the village earn some money regarding to the tourists. So guys, I hope this village will have a progress and more project on tourism, but not in build project. So guys, if they're going to have a build project, and they will build near to the sea or to the ocean, and build for like beaches and cottages and hotel, this one will going to destroy the beauty of Papua in Indonesia. So guys, I hope they were going to conserve this and not allow anyone to develop. Yes, they can develop, but not totally as developed, just as is. It's really beautiful. So I saw that there's a breath taking views, and I was so amazed with the beauty of Papua. So I hope they were going to protect, and the new generation will enjoy this kind of beauty of nature. So that birds was really amazing, and that is the first time that I saw that kind of birds. So a lot of birds that are very rare. So that's it guys. I really love this kind of videos. If you have any suggestion video, please comment down below. Don't hesitate to comment down below and drop the link and put the title. Sometimes I cannot open the link. Thanks a lot for recommending this. I really love and enjoy, and I got wowed with the beauty of nature. So guys, thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification for you to be notified if I have a new video to upload. So guys, thank you for watching. This is Miko again, and see you on my next video. At peace. Yo.